In our last video, we went through and covered how to extrude things, both add and subtract. In this one, we're going to go back to sketching and talk about a new tool. So we're going to start off with part. From there, we're going to start a 2D sketch, and we're going to work on the front view. From there, once we get everything established, we're going to go to rectangle today. Now, again, just like most other buttons, there's a drop down here, and there's a lot of different types of rectangles and polygons and slots and all kinds of cool stuff that we'll eventually learn about. But today, all we're going to take a look at is the 2-point rectangle. What the 2-point rectangle allows you to do is set a beginning point and basically an end point, and it will fill in all the lines there, the 4 lines that make up a rectangle. It's a really powerful tool. It's very easy to use, and it can be used very, very quickly and with great efficiency. So let's go through and talk about it. I have it selected. I'm going to go to my origin. I'll click once. I'll move my mouse away, and I'll click again. And just like that, I have a rectangle created. I have those 2 blue lines because I started at my origin. If I didn't, I wouldn't have any blue lines. And then I can add dimension to them very quickly, very easily. Now, I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And I'm going to go back into the rectangle tool because there's a quicker and easier way to create rectangles with dimension. Again, I have it selected. I'm going to click once, move my mouse away, and you'll notice that top rectangle has a number associated with it. So let's say I wanted this to be a 1x2 rectangle. I'm going to type in the number 1. And then go to that other text box where it says 0.307. I'm going to hit the tab button on the left-hand side of my keyboard. It'll switch over to that input. I can type in the number 2, hit enter, and it will automatically add the dimensions to me. And now I have a 1" by 2" rectangle. It's 1 inch wide, 2 inches tall. I can finish my sketch and extrude it by whatever I need to at this point, and I'm ready to go. So that's a quick and easy tutorial on how to use the rectangle tool, at least as the basics here inside of Inventor. If you have questions, let me know.